My name is Thái. This is my homework video about lesson 12. Uh, linking sound. And I will begin at rule 1, consonant at vowel. Consonant and vowel lay the last consonant of first word at the first vowel of second word. Example: tell us, teachers, and find out. Okay, now we check the answer. Number 1, hold on. Number 2, turn over. Number 3, tell her I miss her. Number 4, read dolly. Number 5, fall off. Number 6, follow up on. Number 7, come in. Number 8, call him. Number 9, sell it. Number 10, take out. Number 11, fade away. Number 12, say so. And number 13, MA. Now we got practice more. Number 1, take over. Number 2, look up. Number 3, is open. Number 4, make a wish. Number 5, kiss and Alice. Number 6, living alone. Number 7, let's eat now. Number 8, call another friend. Number 9, jump up and down. And number 10, by the red envelope. Okay, now we will continue at rule 2, consonant and consonant. I just didn't get the chance. Okay, we got 3 columns. The first column is behind the teeth. We got a T, D, Ch, J, L, N, S, J, Sh, and J, and G. Okay, and column the second column is at the lips. We got a P, B, F, V, M, and W. And the finally column is in the throat. I don't know how to okay. K, we got a K, G, H, N, and R. Let's same consonants. Examples: hot day, big girl, Miss Sander, tall lady. Let's try some more. Roommates, forward, red sheet, sonic, love violets, ship pillow, quick kick, Bob Baker, push Sharon, half fall, George Jones. And same pair of consonants. For example, his son, Todd Van, hot dog, help Bob. And let's try some more. Red tail, map book, chic game, half welcome, sit down, nap pole, big kid, love face, and smooth thing. To continue, we got a rule 3, vowel and vowel. Now 1 go away. Number 2, I also need the other one. Okay. She isn't. Who is? Okay. Go anywhere. So honest. Throughout. You are. He is. Do I? I asked. To open. She always. Too often. And finally is rule 4. Z and Z Z at Y Z Y Z H. I think so. Now finish it. Let's finish. Number 1, how's your family? Number 2, who's your friend? Number 3, where's your mom? Number 4, when's your birthday? And S at Y double S H K. Number 1, yes you are. Number 2, bless you. Number 3, can you dress yourself? Number 4, let him guard your car for you. And THY CH. Number 1, can you do it? Number 2, I'll let you know. Number 3, don't you like it? And number 4, haven't you? No, not yet. And now we got the final page. The fourth page rule D H Y and G. Okay, number 1, did you see it? Number 2, could you tell? Number 3, how did you like it? Number 4, where did you send your check? And number 5, did you find your keys? Oh, finally. Okay, my video homework is ending here. Thanks for watching.